Here's a 69 Ford F100 two-wheel drive, a barn find. The guy I got it from dug it out of a barn, I think put a fuel tank in it and stuff. It does run and drive good. Come out of Montana, that's why it's a pretty dry old truck. Obviously you can see something happened to the hood, and they got a couple homemade little straps. Got rust on both front fenders, which is typical. A little bit on the back of the door and cab corner floor. They put some metal in. Just like I said, this is a 100% barn find type truck. I've drove it 15 miles, pretty good driving old truck. So if you're looking to restore one, this is a pretty good solid project. Box is pretty good, a little bit on the seam there, but there's the worst rust on the truck. Besides the front fender spots, but pretty solid old truck. So if you're looking for a cheap old F100, give us a call, 605-695-7391.